Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because my Oogie Boogie warmer came in. This is a new one from Scentsy. It's called Oogie Boogie's Casino, and the box is even like all decorated and super cool looking. I have not looked at this yet. Feels like it is crammed in there. That's so cute. This is $80, which is very expensive. They've definitely raised their prices since I used to be a consultant, but I love Oogie Boogie. I felt like I had to get this one. I also got the shock lock and barrel little plug-in one, and I did an unboxing of that one too if you want to see it. But this one says Oogie Boogie, and it's got a little metal thing that you insert to the back of the dish. Oh my gosh. Here's the dish. It's purple, but it's like kind of see-through, and then it has the bugs at the bottom. This is not for food use. It's probably a sticker. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like you could probably just remove that. That's super cool. They've always had nice warmers, but they're definitely very more detailed, I feel like. There we go. This is all one piece. I have the light bulb. Everything else is tucked in here. This is where that sign's gonna go. Oh, how cool. Looks like Sally's leg hanging out there. That is so neat. Then there's Jack. 0. It does say Disney at the bottom. And then his little face cut out in the back. How cool. So let's go ahead and take the cord out. And I guess the dish just sits right there. And we're gonna open this and put it in there. Here's an up close of the metal sign. Very detailed. So that just goes in the center of these. And it just slides in. So that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oogie Boogie is my absolute favorite character. I'm actually wearing an Oogie Boogie shirt right now, which was not planned because I had no idea this was coming. So very awesome. I bought it and it was on back order. Probably took 2 weeks maybe to get shipped to me. Not too bad, plenty of time before Halloween. And yeah, I will plug it in when it gets darker so you can kind of see what it looks like lit up. But if you guys are interested, I will put a link below to the girl that I ordered through, and I have a party link if you'd like to join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.